Got a swarm moving into my swarm trap. It's May 5th, about 5:30 in the evening. I don't know if you can see or hear them, but they are buzzing like crazy and moving right in. Very, very cool. Never seen anything like it. This is my first captured swarm from a swarm trap. All I've got in that box is a little bit of swarm lure that's Nazonov, and it evidently did the trick. Probably sit out here for about 4 weeks before they showed up. This is the front of the swarm trap. Kind of clustered along the front of the entrance there. Very, very cool.